Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain: Alternative Investments. Which analytical approach best assesses the impact of adverse market conditions on a cryptocurrency investment? A. Implementing stress testing to evaluate the investment's resilience under severe downturn scenarios. B. Conducting a discounted cash flow (DCF) analysis to forecast intrinsic value from future cash flows. C. Performing a sensitivity analysis to understand how small changes in valuation inputs affect value. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Implementing stress testing to evaluate the investment's resilience under severe downturn scenarios. Which is a core assumption of the Black-Scholes model for hedge fund incentive fees? A. The risk-free interest rate is known and constant. B. The underlying asset is traded in discrete time intervals. C. The price of the underlying asset follows a normal distribution. D. All of the above. Answer is A. The risk-free interest rate is known and constant. The 20% incentive fee only on returns above 6% describes which provision? A. Soft hurdle rate. B. Hard hurdle rate. C. High water mark. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Hard hurdle rate. What is the term for a general partner's 20% share of profits after LPs get their capital plus 8% return? A. Management fee. B. Carried interest. C. Hurdle rate. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Carried interest. Which best categorizes Quantum Leap Bio, biotech startup, and legacy manufacturing company, mature firm under restructuring? A. Both represent private debt due to capital needs. B. Quantum Leap Bio is venture capital, legacy manufacturing company is private equity. C. Quantum Leap Bio is private equity, legacy manufacturing company is venture capital. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Quantum Leap Bio is venture capital, legacy manufacturing company is private equity. An emerging market electricity plant needing upfront capital is an example of which investment? A. Brownfield asset with medium risk and balanced returns. B. Secondary stage investment with operational asset and immediate cash flow. C. Greenfield project with high risk and expected long-term returns. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. Greenfield project with high risk and expected long-term returns. What characteristic most contributes to diversification benefits of alternative investments? A. High return potential. B. Greater market efficiency. C. Low correlation with traditional assets. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Low correlation with traditional assets. Which statement about liquidity of publicly traded equity fund versus hedge fund is accurate? A. Both exhibit similar liquidity due to continuous pricing. B. Hedge fund generally has lower liquidity due to less regulation and customized agreements. C. Publicly traded equity fund has lower liquidity due to longer lockups. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Hedge fund generally has lower liquidity due to less regulation and customized agreements. Which alternative investment method suits investors wanting diversification without managing illiquid assets? A. Co-investing alongside an established fund. B. Direct investment into a company or project. C. Allocating capital to a fund managed by professionals. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Allocating capital to a fund managed by professionals. Appraisal-based real estate indices tend to A. Overstate correlations with publicly traded equities. B. Understate true volatility of real estate returns. C. Reflect price changes faster than transaction-based indices. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Understate true volatility of real estate returns. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos and tutorials, please subscribe to BISP Trainings.